Hey guys, and welcome to Wild Anirudh, and today we are going to do a bird photo quiz. You will get 10 seconds to guess the bird in the picture. You can also pause if you need more time to think. Here's the first question. Guess the bird in the picture. Your options are A. Pallid Harrier, B. Hen Harrier, C. Montagu's Harrier. You have 10 seconds to guess what bird it is. Think wisely. The correct answer is C. Montagu's Harrier. Here's the second picture. Your options are A. Rusty-tailed flycatcher, B. Asian brown flycatcher, C. Ultramarine flycatcher. The correct answer is A. Rusty-tailed flycatcher. Here's the third picture. Your options are A. Isabelline shrike, B. Brown shrike, C. Bayback shrike. The correct answer is B. Brown shrike. Here's the fourth picture. Your options are A. Asian barred owlet, B. Jungle owlet, C. Collared owlet. The correct answer is A. Asian barred owlet. Here's the fifth picture. Your options are A. Grey-throated babbler, B. Snowy babbler, C. Puff-throated babbler. The correct answer is C. Puff-throated babbler. Here's the sixth picture. Your options are A. Plain Prinia, B. Delicate Prinia, C. Himalayan Prinia. The correct answer is B. Delicate Prinia. Here is the seventh picture. Your options are A. Blue-throated flycatcher, B. Large blue flycatcher, C. Tickle's blue flycatcher. The correct answer is A. Blue-throated flycatcher. Here is the eighth picture. Your options are A. Asian brown flycatcher, B. Slaty blue flycatcher, C. Dark-sided flycatcher. The correct answer is C. Dark-sided flycatcher. Here's the ninth picture. Your options are A. Citrine wagtail, B. Western yellow wagtail, C. Eastern yellow wagtail. The correct answer is A. Citrine wagtail. Here is the 10th picture. Your options are A. Common sandpiper, B. Wood sandpiper, C. Green sandpiper. The correct answer is B. Wood sandpiper. Here is the 11th picture. Your options are A. Booted warbler, B. Blythe's reed warbler, C. Paddyfield warbler. The correct answer is B. Blythe's reed warbler. Here is the 12th picture. Your options are A. Booted warbler, B. Sykes warbler, C. Grasshopper warbler. The correct answer is A. Booted warbler. Here is the 13th picture. Your options are A. Lesser flameback, B. Himalayan flameback, C. Malabar flameback. The correct answer is C. Malabar flameback. Here is the 14th picture. Your options are A. Common red shank, B. Rough, C. Common green shank. The correct answer is B. Rough. Here's the 15th and final picture. Your options are A. Brown-breasted flycatcher, B. Asian brown flycatcher, C. Taiga flycatcher. The correct answer is A. Brown-breasted flycatcher. Thanks for watching. Please comment down how much score you got out of 15. Happy birding!